Today's Big Eye caught our eye because it's about keeping families safe by creating homes for the world's poorest. It's called the $300 House Challenge, a challenge to architects, students, and professionals to submit designs for, yes, a home that costs $300. Why is this so important? Well, the United Nations Habitat estimates that roughly 1 billion people, or 33% of the world's urban population, live in slums, a figure that will only grow over the next decade. You may be saying it's impossible to build a home this cheap, right? But experts across the globe beg to differ. Eric Ho is one of them. He's the principal at Architecture Commons and one of the $300 house design winners. Eric, thanks for coming on the show today. First, tell us about your proposal and how in the world you can create a home for just $300.
Well, I think we're interested in this problem because it's a tough challenge. I think $300 is really a very ambitious target. So what we are trying to do is a couple of things. One is sort of addressing the infrastructure problem of sanitation. Basically, how do you provide a house that have sewage and sort of drainage away from the house so that the people can live in a clean and sort of sanitary condition? And the second approach is actually crucial. Is the creation of two micro-enterprises that are construction-oriented. One is compressed earth block sort of industry, and the other is a micro-concrete roof tile industry. So the two together basically would be an investment for 100 families together. So these families share these the industry and the profits from it. But at the same time, this industry would create the materials for the walls and the tiles, the roof tiles for the house. So those are actually free of charge to the community. And so basically the idea is sort of a positive cycle of improvement so that the people can live out of poverty. And the third and one of the most important part of this is the creation of a village cooperative. Basically, the community get together and decide, how do you take the money and improve upon, the neighborhood they have lived in for, years. So that's the idea.
And when do we see this submission of yours becoming a reality? Because it certainly sounds like there's a great need for it.
Yeah, we are working to see, how we can actually work with the local community. I think that would be the next step to understand exactly what their needs are and what their cultural sort of backgrounds are, because that, I think, is the most crucial step to, really take it to the people and, ask them, what do you need?
And just really quickly, any way that our viewers can help get involved? Maybe they're moved by what they've seen today?
Sure, go to 300house.com and I think you would see a lot of posts of how you may be able to participate or, donate. So go to 300house.com.
All right, 300house.com. Eric Ho, appreciate it. Pretty cool stuff. Thank you so much and good luck with it.